This is an example of how you can use the charges and mortgages data in advanced search. So here is a simple search setup already of active companies in the east of England with at least 15 people. This gives us just over 17,500 companies, but what we can do is add on our charges and mortgages data on top of this. So if we go to add company criteria, and if we scroll down to significant events, near the bottom of this section here, you will see the subtitle that says created a charge or mortgage where. Now what we could do is we could add this with no additional criteria to simply say that the company has a charge or mortgage, or we could be really particular about that using criteria underneath this. So first of all, I'll start by saying they have a charge that was created in the last 9 months. Here we can put a particular date in, or what I prefer is going to relative timeframes and putting in the past 9 months here. You'll then see that we can hit add company charge criteria, and again layer on more of this should we want to. So let's say find me companies with a charge in the past 9 months that comes from a particular lender. Let's go for Metro Bank in this case by saying the charge holder name contains exactly this phrase, Metro. We can also specify whether it has a negative pledge or not. In this case, I'll say yes, they do. And again, we can decide whether it has been satisfied or not yet using satisfaction status here. We're either going for satisfied, partially satisfied, or outstanding. In this case, I'll go for outstanding. You'll also see that we can choose what charge type we want, whether it's fixed, floating, both, or either. In this case, I'll keep it nice and broad and keep it as is, and hit search for companies then to give us a really precise search within this initial list. You'll see that we have 7 companies that fit this criteria, so let's click into the first one. And if we go to the charges and mortgages tab near the bottom, this will tell us all about the company that we've chosen. So we can see here that they've got 2 outstanding and 2 fully satisfied ones. The 2 outstanding both being with Metro Bank. And if we click into the charge here, we can actually see a bit more information on what type it was. Again, the original source listed here too, and a description as well. Again, we can do the exact same thing on the fully satisfied ones. And again, we'll be warned whether it has a negative pledge up here as well.